Hi, it's Matt from Sports Physio. Just an update on our patient rehab products. So a couple of things. Firstly, we've got a dedicated patient website, so it's patientrehab.ie. So your patients or your athletes can order directly on that. They don't need an account. Normally, if you order on our Sports Physio website, you need an account to order on that, but on the patient website, you don't need that. So it's patientrehab.ie. They can purchase a whole range of rehab equipment, orthopedic supports, TENS machines, pelvic health, they're all available on that site. Okay, we can also with the latest information about trying to limit the time on your consultation because of the whole contact tracing issue. I think people are being advised to limit their consultations to under 15 minutes. Obviously, you know, some of that time usually I'm sure is taken in exercise prescription. What we've done on our site is we've added videos on, like, for example, the Sorolla belt, on how to fit a Sorolla belt. Same with a lot of other supports, videos on there to show how to fit them. So it avoids you having to do that as part of your consultation. Similarly, for some of the exercise equipment, so, you know, for example, what to do with the web exercise or mini bands, that kind of stuff. What typical exercises they can use with those. Again, there's nice videos. We've added them to the site, and we've a kind of an exercise video resource that they can go to. And also you can use those exercises. You're free to take them yourself off our site if you want to use them as part of your exercise prescription program that you might send on to the patients afterwards. Same with sheets. So in some cases we may not have a video, but we've got some exercise sheets on there that you can use. Okay. So the other area then is in terms of if your patient is ordering, we can give you a particular code for your clinic. Okay, so if the patient orders using your code, we will give them 5% off on the product on the patient side. What we'll also do is we'll match that 5%, and over the course of a month, any of your referrals, we will add those up and we will put them as a credit on your account. So that's an option there whereby you can refer the patient, you don't have to see the product goes directly to the patient, and there's some bit of a rebate there as well. Also, what we would recommend is if you want to, if there's a typical product that you're going to be using a lot with your patients, maybe exercise bands, shoulder pulleys, spiky balls, whatever, we can supply those to you. And for the rest of the month, and for the month of May, we're going to do 20% off on most of those products. So you can have those products in your clinic. Patient comes in, you can prepare them, and you can send them home with the products they need to do their exercise program. Okay, we're also hoping to have a bag available soon. So this bag, you can fit the product in it, and it just makes it, I suppose, a bit more presentable, that you can hand the patient their rehab pack going away, and maybe it also includes the exercise sheet with it. And it's so again, it's a time saver, hopefully. It's nice and professional. Looks nice to walk away with, but also a time saver for yourself, and they can do their exercise at home. So hopefully there's a few ideas there that might be of use. Okay, thanks a million.